guys, I'm back at the field, and I don't notice if you guys saw the video, the giveaway, but it's still going. There's a big blizzard, if you can hear me. I don't know if you could guys hear me or not, but there's a big blizzard, and I hope this video is going to be okay. The giveaway is still going. I hope you guys make the stuff for me. Just make a shout out, and that will be it. You don't have to subscribe or anything. I mean, you can subscribe if you want, but just do the shout out, and I think this will. There's a really big blizzard coming in, so yeah. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and let's get on to it. So I'm at the field. So yeah, we'll be metal detecting. I'm laying my GoPro on the metal detector so you guys see me, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, I hope you could find some good finds there. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna just get my metal detector and my shovel right here, and let's try to find something. There's still a bit of snow, but it'll be fine. Oh, I didn't turn it on. Here we go. Let's go. So this is where I start. There's something right here. I don't know what that is. It's a little bit dark. I hope I could maybe find 3 or 4 finds before dark. Okay, I'll catch you guys when I find a signal, because now it's gonna just be boring. So yeah, so just found a signal. It's right there in the hole. I just popped it out. It's my lucky day. I don't have to spend like 20 minutes finding this, but it's a rifle shell cartridge right there. Pretty neat. The date, I think I could find the date. No, I have to clean it. But yeah, there you go. First find, cartridge. I wasn't even that close. My detector's right here. Yeah, pretty neat. Right in that hole. Just popped it out. Yeah, cool find. I hope we can find more of that kind of stuff, but yeah, let's put it in our pouch right here. This is gonna be our pouch for today. So yeah, I'm not wearing my cap because I just wanted to start the video. So yeah, I hope this is good. I hope it's not that dark. I mean, look at the sky. My house is right there, and I'm across this field. So yeah, let's keep on finding good stuff. But the forest is right there. I know I haven't been like in the forest that much. It's because, you know, it's kind of too far away. But my next video, I'll probably go to the forest. It's gonna be pretty cool. So yeah, let's keep on digging and let's see what we can find. Just found a signal. It's right there in the hole that I dug up. 84. Yeah. 83, 85. If I could find it. Wait, is that it? What is that? Oh wow, look at that. It's a rifle tip, or a bullet. It's an actual bullet. It's not a cartridge. Look at that. I've actually never found one of these. The shot ones. Wow, look at that. It's an actual bullet from a rifle. It has like scuffing and stuff on it. It probably hit a rock, but I didn't see a rock anywhere. Except that one right there, but it's pretty cool. Look at that. An awesome day. Oh my gosh, I haven't been metal detecting in so long. And I'm actually finding, I found nails, but I didn't record that. It's pretty neat. Yeah, let's see what we can find. Let's put it in our pouch. I know it's kind of a weird day, but I'm finding pretty good signals. Like, I mean, I've not been metal detecting in a really long time, but you know, I'm finding pretty cool stuff. Yeah. Let's see what we can find else. I mean, so far, one coin, a cartridge, a shell, and a bullet. Pretty cool. I know it's kind of a weird day. It's not that sunny outside, but tomorrow is Saturday, so we're gonna be metal detecting in the morning, and it's gonna be sunny. It's gonna be good. So yeah, look forward to that. And the giveaway is still opened. Please, guys, I need some help getting more subscribers. And yeah, let's see what we can find. So I just found a signal, and I think it's a coin. It's right there, next to the water. Look at that. Look at that. It's right there. It's right there. Look at it. Oh my gosh, wait. I dipped my GoPro in the water. I'm sorry about that. But look at that. It's an actual coin. Oh, I wish you guys could see. I mean, it's not that. Yeah, it's not day. You can't see it, but oh my gosh. It's Austrian-Hungarian. I think the date, it's right there. It's 1861. Oh my gosh, look at that. I hope you guys see that, but if I could get the light on it. Like, I didn't even dig that deep. Water came into my hole. Wow. It's a pretty cool find right there. It's kind of windy, but we found a coin. It's totally worth it. Oh, my whole GoPro is wet and dirty. I should probably wash it when I get back home. Look at that. Pretty cool find. Yeah, so let's put that in our pouch and let's carry on. So far, really good signals. GoPro is wet, but yeah. Let's see what we can find next, guys. Pretty cool day. So yeah. Guys, I just found a gun. I don't know if it's real or if it's fake. I'm freaking out right now. I just found a revolver. Look at that. Can you see that? It's right there. I mean, it's kind of dark. You can't see anything. I don't know if I can get this pile up. It's right on the surface. It's right there. I don't know if I can get this up. Look at that. It's right there. Look at my hands. It's right there. Do you see it? It's right there. Pick it up. Oh no, the tip fell. Wait. I'm freaking out. Let's get it on the snow. Can you see this? Look at that. The tip fell off. I don't know if this is a real revolver or what. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I think it's real. That's a tip? It has an aim? Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. I just found a gun never before found. Like, Who would leave a revolver here? Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm absolutely freaking out right now. I just want to show it to my parents, but no. I'm gonna find more guns and stuff, whatever. I'm just freaking out right now. I found a gun. I don't know if it's real though. It looks real. I mean, yeah, it looks real. It's metal. I believe it's a gun. I don't know if it's real. I don't know if it shoots. Probably not, because it's missing all the other stuff. But a gun shot by a man. I'm freaking out. I mean, I hope this video is gonna get a lot of views, because I'm gonna totally put to the title, I found a gun, because I did, and I'm not a clickbait or anything. My detector's right there. My shovel is right there. I went over here. I dug it up. There was like water all over, and I thought like, no, I'm not gonna dig this up because it has water. And my GoPro accidentally fell in the water, but it's waterproof. So I just found a gun. I'm gonna bring it to my house, put it in my collection, probably take a picture of it and post it as my thumbnail. I can't believe this. I hope you guys can hear me. It's like blizzardy outside, but yeah. I'm gonna end the video right here. I cannot believe I found a gun. I'm gonna show it one more time. It's a revolver. The tip fell off, but I could put it in like that. I found a gun. I'm gonna end the video right here. Hopefully, guys, I get a shout out because I made the giveaway, and hopefully, guys, you could make a shout out for me because I kind of need help. I haven't been making videos that much, but lately, but yeah, hopefully guys, this was interesting too. As always, happy hunting and God bless. I hope you have a nice weekend for those who are in Europe, because tomorrow is Saturday and I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos exploring in the forest, exploring in the old cement factory that I promised you guys. And yeah, as always, happy hunting and God bless. God bless you all. I found a gun. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. I hope you have a great weekend for those that are in Europe again. So yeah, hopefully guys, the giveaway is still running. I hope you guys saw the videos, and yeah, as always, happy hunting and God bless. I'll end the video here, and I found a gun. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. See you tomorrow in the morning. Goodbye. As always, happy hunting and God bless.